Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to start off with going over our vocabulary for the week. Remember, this is going to be on our test on Thursday rather, so please make sure you're paying really good attention. The first word is rustled. Not wrestled, but rustled. The leaves rustled in the wind. Okay, do you see how they're moving? It kind of makes noise, rustled. All right. Let's go back to our next words. What are some other things that can rustle? Maybe tree branches can rustle in the wind. The next word is appeared. Appeared means to be seen. It just showed up. It appeared. So maybe you have a box that appeared on your front step. The next word is crops. And there are quite a few families that are farmers in our classroom. And the farmers grow crops in their field. We have develop, means to create. Edge. Edge is like the border of something, okay? So right here is the edge of my Chromebook, okay? Here is the edge of my screen. Edge, it's the border. It's the outside part. Then we have golden, which is like a color. So the sun is a golden yellow. Shining, the sun is shining brightly today. Shining. And the last one is stages. Okay, what are some things that have different stages of life? We know butterflies do. They start off as caterpillars and then they go through different stages to become a butterfly. So egg, caterpillar, and butterfly are stages in a butterfly's life. All right, now we're gonna move on to the story, Why Fir Tree Keeps His Leaves. I hope you guys enjoyed that story yesterday. It says sentence clues are other words in the same sentence as the word you are trying to understand. So sometimes as we're reading, there are words in our sentences that we don't quite know what they mean. And that can cause us to get confused and maybe even upset sometimes. The best thing you can do is look at these sentence clues. Otherwise, they're called context clues. These clues can help you figure out the meaning of the word. So by looking and continuing to read, you can understand what the word means. So in our story, we had the sentence, a farmer harvested what he had grown. The word is harvested. You might not know what harvested means, but the farmer harvested what he had grown. Harvested means picked or gathered. Now what about here? Fir tree complained to Mother Nature. I don't like my leaves. I want them to change colors like my friend's leaves. Now, complained. What would complained mean? What are some words in that sentence that help you understand what complained mean? The first word that pops into my mind is the word don't. I don't like my leaves. That's complaining. It means that you don't like something and you're saying it. So remember the quotation marks are saying that they don't like something. And what does fir tree not like? Does not like his leaves. We're going to do one more example and then our video is already over for the day. Maple, oak, and elm lost their leaves, but fir tree's green leaves remained. Soon snow blanketed the ground. What would remained mean? I want to go back and reread my sentence. Maple, oak, and elm lost their leaves. So if they lost their leaves, they no longer have them. But fir tree's green leaves remained, which means that fir tree's leaves must still be on the tree. So remained must mean still be there or stays. Okay, does that make sense? Maple, oak, and elm lost their leaves, but fir tree's green leaves stayed or they remained. So those are some examples of how you can use sentence clues or context clues to help you understand unknown words. Great job, you guys. Remember, go back over your vocabulary. I want you to do lots of practice on that so you can get 100 on your quiz on Thursday. Keep working hard.